Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your monthly reading for the month of June 2021. This reading is going to be for the sign of Sagittarius. Let's see what is coming up for you in the month of June 2021. I will be adding oracle cards in this reading, but no charms will be added. So stay tuned, and before I dive into the read, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So Sagittarians, let's find out what can you expect coming up for you in the month of June. Let's begin. The Star, Three of Wands, Six of Swords, Five of Swords. There is something that you have been patiently working towards. I do see that you will be getting that. There has been some divine timing working for you in that particular situation. I do see that, you will finally get yourself there. You would finally be able to pave a path for yourself in that particular direction. I feel like, for some reasons, okay. And in the deck we do have the Six of Cups. I feel like, you, whatever it is that you are getting, you are going to get it with the help of another person. You cannot get it on your own. Now, who that person could be, it can be a person in your love life who's going to help you to walk that path or walk that road to whatever it is that you want. For some of you, you might have been blocking your own path by not taking somebody along with you because of whatever that you might have been having around, around the situation on your mind. For instance, like, if you wanted to, there is one thing that you're stopping from, entering in your life because you feel that you want to go alone on that particular direction. Thinking, getting fearful, maybe it's just gonna block you if you take another person with you, be that in love, work, home life situation. In actuality, you taking someone is gonna add luck to your path towards your destination. So somebody is gonna be very lucky for you, but I do see you not understanding that. You are choosing to go on your own, particular path, feeling that you have to go alone, you have to do it on your own. But in actuality, it's just gonna, waste the chance there for you. And you are going to go from level 0 to that one particular thing that you are working towards right now as well. After having an understanding that, oops, you did a mistake. You could have taken that one person with you. With their luck, your things would have worked as well. So it can be a situation in your work life, it can be a situation in your home life, it can be a situation in your other areas of your life as well, which might include travel somehow. If there has been one thing in your love life that you have been running away from, it's going to be the time, this situation which is not going to work well for you is going to make you think about taking a love offer that you might have been ignoring, neglecting lately. Let's see who this person could be. You might have been ignoring your love life for the sake of your career and finances. You might have been ignoring that one person in your love life because you thought that you don't have enough time for this person. But then this person could be manifesting you. This person could be praying, affirming, and requesting God. Maybe complaining about you to their God, and that's why they are gonna get what they wanted. And then whatever it is that you are ignoring regards to them, the universe is going to bring you back to level 0 because of that, and you are going to go back to this one person. Yes, the universe is basically preparing you for something that you cannot see right now, and that something is something connected to your love life. You cannot have a new journey for yourself until unless you have somebody in your love life. That's what is coming up very strongly here. For some of you, it can be the energy of the person that you are dealing with as well. Let's take the oracle cards now. You cannot get what you wanted until unless you have a luck of your person attached to yours. So your love life is going to block your work path for sure. For sure, especially if you have been doing wrong to a person, connection. You have to do things right with that one person before you could move forward. So we do have the hunter, track down your fears and desires, hermit, retreat and recharge. Now for some of you, you might have been very fearful about losing your focus. If you take this person along, maybe you feel like you would lose your focus, and that's why you are choosing this person to leave this person here, and you choose to move on to a new journey for yourself. It's not going to work well for you. Why? Again, it's just going to bring you back to level 0. So it's very important for you to understand that something that you are thinking is not right. Love and let yourself be loved. You might be running away from love there, and you have to stop doing so. Let this love in and have your life settled. Otherwise, I do see you going back to level 0 again. A time for healing. For some of you, you need to heal so you could connect or let love in your life as well. So you are good enough. Maybe you feel at times that you are good enough. In actuality, trust me, you are not. Take a time to breathe out, believe in the impossible. It's time to take action, a time to give rather than take. It's high time that you give than taking it from your person. It's high time you do that. I do see you making a U-turn to a specific someone because things are not going to work well for you. So you will return to them, have a heart-to-heart conversation with them, discuss things with them, and then only you will see your life changing for better. Whoever this person is, it can be a past person, it can be a new person, it can be a person that you have been ignoring because of your career goals as well. But you have to go back to this person to seek help, guidance that you need right now in this particular situation. This person could be somebody very intuitive as well. What do you really need? Be willing to accept support. You need this person, you need their support, you need their good luck with you right now. The energies could be completely reversed. It can be the energy of the person that you are dealing with as well. If they have left you, if they have ignored you, you are going to be the one they will need to move ahead. So they will be coming back to you. So it's going to be different for different people. For some of you, you are the one who is going to get suffered here. For others of you, it's going to be your person who's going to make a U-turn towards you, because definitely, that's how it is meant to happen. You and them have to go together to get what you or they want. You cannot achieve anything on your own, or they cannot achieve anything on their own. You have to be together to get it done. So that's pretty much it coming up for you in the month of June for you. So if the reading resonated with you, to like, subscribe and share. If you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.